Okay, here we go. We're gonna engage it in 3. I get my lunch at. I'll show you where you get lunch at. A day in the life. Always gotta honk your horn so you don't get run over. Are we still filming? So this is the spot where I get my lunch at every day. You can see that they got Halloween decorations put up over there. So yeah, so this is where I get these muffins at. These muffins are good, really good. It's called Mickey and Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. And then there's those little muffin things right there. These things are so good, really good. But anyways, so yeah, that's my ride. That is a speed run to go get muffins. Hello, Zicha. This is my friend. For my family. Filming for my family. Okay. Yeah. So, come on. So yeah, these These are these little muffins I always get. Eat these things every single day. 10 of them and a coffee. So anyways, peace.